Okay. Now this is what I'm saying.
Recording is on.
The first wire, look at it. So just stop and watch. The first wire, connect it in here. Remember, these two are the two ties on one side, and these two motors represent the other two ties on the other side. Your H bridge and then your Arduino sensor shield. So I said connect any wire in here. Now the other motor on the other side, like on the bottom side of your this thing. Are you watching?
Yes.
Take it and connect it to that same port on your H bridge. Then, and then tighten the screw.
Please, should I do it now?
No. If you do it now, it would delay. Okay, because your friends have been on for the past 30 minutes. Now the second one, you take it. I'm recording the class, so I'll share it with you in your emails. Take the second wire, connect it in here. Don't tighten it yet, okay? Then you take another wire from the other motor, and then you connect it in here, okay? And tighten the screw.
Okay.
Push them in and tighten the screw. Remember, the end of the wire, you bite it so that the bare part of the wire comes out, and then you twist them together, join them together, and push it inside. Okay. If you're having problems, I'm sure your dad at home can just assist you. Good. Now we're going to repeat for the third part too. All right. Now this third part, take the wire, connect it into this third port. Then take it from the second one to connect it into this third port, and then tighten it. Okay. From next week onwards, by today, Wednesday, the car should be moving. Jason, please mute your sound, because by next week, Saturday, we are doing a different project, okay? Then take the next wire, connect it in here, and then take another wire from the bottom also, and repeat the same thing. Do you see it? Good. Now there's... Hello? Yes. Pardon? Oh, I've sent the link. Or okay. Then let me resend the link to you again. I think. Okay. Okay, so I'm trying to get a picture of a battery clip for you. Yes, we've sent it again, so you can. We've sent a different link. Okay, thank you. All right. Okay, so let's imagine this is the battery of the car, of your battery, with your battery clips. Okay, imagine this is your battery with your battery clips. Now we're going to do something here. Take the red wire of your battery clip. Okay, take the red wire of your battery clip. Connect the red wire of your battery clip to this place. And then tighten it. I hope you can still see my screen.
Yes.
Okay, good. Now, the black wire of your battery clip, connect it and place it in here in the middle. Do you see? Now, I'm recording it so you can always watch it back and then do your connections. So connect it in there. Now, the next thing is that this same middle portion, I told you is ground. Take another wire and then connect it to any of the ground terminals. You see the ground terminals where my cursor is moving. And then just place it in here. So you remember the end of the jumper. You can slot it. It's a female end. So it's a female to female. So just make sure you can slot it onto the jeans portion. Okay. Any of the jean portions. So I've placed it here. Then when you are done, oh, good. Then when you are done, take a jumper from this part. You can even use this part, but let's use this part. Take a jumper from this part. Just take a jumper from this part and connect it to any of the vein sections. So let me just put it in this vein. Okay. So you realize that this one connects to vein. The vein is voltage or power. All right. This G is ground. Should I continue? Hello, should I continue?
Yes.
Okay, so Adum and the rest, please be watching these connections. Okay. Now, the final part that I'm going to show you is these 4 wires. All right, these are where we are using pins
Uncle
0,
Frank,
2, and 3. Yes,
how will we be able to watch it again?
I'll send it to you as a link in your emails. Now, let's take any color of the jumpers. Now, you see the jumper that is closer to this blue socket, the 3-pin, the 3-barrel socket here. Take any jumper color. The jumper that is closer, or the pin that is closer to this, take it and then connect it to mine. I'm using green, to pin 0. Remember, the bottom here represents the pins of the microcontroller. This is anybody on class. If you missed this video, I'll send you the video because I'm not coming back to this thing again. So this first jumper goes to pin 0. All right. Let me just take a blue one. Now the next one after this goes to pin 1. Do you see it? Remember, the end of the jumper can just shoot in. Then maybe I'll take a purple one. The purple one goes to pin 2. And then let me just take a yellow one. The yellow one goes to pin 3. So we are using pin 0 to pin 3. I'm just going to save the picture. Robotic. That's all. That is all we have been doing. This is the connection. Now, when you realize that maybe you power your car and then maybe this tire is moving in one direction and then this tire is moving in the opposite direction, just swap the wire. So this wire like this, swap it and put it here, and then swap this one and put it here and tighten it again. Similarly, if one of the wires is moving in clockwise direction, like the tires, because this tire and this motor must all move in the same direction so that the car can move forward. But if this one is moving one direction, this one is also moving another direction, you see one of the wires, just remove it, fix it in here, remove this wire and fix it in here. If this one too is also doing the same thing, the lower motor, just remove it and fix it here, remove it and fix it here, and you are good to go. Just switch the wires of one of the motors and you have it moving in that direction. Okay? Now, when you're done with everything, okay, let me just minimize this. When you're done with everything, you connect your microcontroller, the car, to your robotic kits, to the computer. And then open your Arduino IDE. Okay? Then you open your Arduino block. Tools, go to Arduino block, but make sure your microcontroller is connected to your car or the cable is connected to the car. Okay? Please, can you all hear me? Do you have questions?
No.
Okay, good. So when you open the Arduino block, simple, it's just a simple connection. Okay, Anna, yes.
Please, could you please send me the link to where
I'll send it to you.
Gave us Arduino.
Okay. All right. I'll send you the video after the link. Everybody will get the link. Everybody will get the link after.
Pardon?
I said everybody will get the link. I'll send the link to everybody so you can watch it again.
Okay. No, the link to the Arduino.
Okay, I hear you. Just go to Google and type Arduino IDE. That's all. You get it.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then what do I do?
But uncle, I don't have Arduino block.
Okay, then you after that we'll sort. Let's do it some other time. Okay, but this time let me just take those who have it. I'll sort you out if you don't have the Arduino block, or I'll do a video and send it to you. Now this part, just go to pins. You see set digital output. Drag it. It's the first pin, the first block under pins. Drag it and place it here. This was what I told your friends on Wednesday, and I'm repeating it for them. Now, you remember we used pin 0 to pin 3, if you remember, on this thing. You see 0, 1, 2, 3. Those are the pins we are using for our programming to make the car move. So come to pin, look for D0, make it high. Then just come and right click and click on clone. Clone is like duplicate. It's just like the MIT app inventor when you want to duplicate a block. Okay. So you see 0, then you come in here, then you come and look for 1, D1. D1 means digital pin 1 or digital 1. Okay, it's just a pin. So 1. But this one high. The second one is low. So make this one low. So high, low. Do you get it? High, low. So it must be high, low for it to move. Now we can go back here and take this block again to be long thing. So just come and right click and click on clone. Take it and place it under. Okay. So high, low, then D2, and then D3. Remember, we're using D0, D1, D2, and D3. So high, low, high, and then low. Make sure this one too is low. Okay, when you are done, just click on upload to Arduino. You will see something like this. You can save the code or you can just click on cancel. It will start uploading. My own, it won't upload because my microcontroller is not connected to my machine. It will start uploading. This is the code. The block would convert the block to a code. Your car should start moving. This is a sign that you know your connection is correct. Like my own, I've not connected anything, so it won't upload anything. You see the car, boo, the tires will start moving endlessly. Okay. Any questions? Let me stop the recording.